Guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good. Here I am with another video, and I'm a bit late in making this one, but it was very important, so I couldn't ignore it. So, have you ever just faced severe panic attacks? And whenever you are working, or whenever you are walking, or whenever you are driving or doing something else, guys, let me tell you, if you have faced these panic attacks, they are pretty nasty. You must be knowing that, and they make you feel that what you are going through is a heart attack, and that your heart can stop at any moment. Guys, it is scary as hell, but let me tell you, there is nothing like that. That is just a lot of negativity and stress that is playing with our minds and making us feel nasty things. And if you just follow a few exercises on a daily basis, if you perform them, then you can just ease your this situation of yours significantly. You can just ease your stress, ease your panic attacks, ease your negativity in a great way. So let me tell you honestly that a few weeks back I was feeling this negativity and stress and panic attacks, but when I just followed a certain pattern of yoga asanas, then my situation improved significantly. So I want to share those exercises with you, and that is how you have to do these. Let's go. Guys, the first exercise is butterfly. So what you have to do in this one is just join your feet like this and just push them as back as you can. And in this position, just start to move your legs like this. Initially, you can do it slowly and gently, but as you just feel more comfortable, you can just start doing it a bit faster. So just keep moving your legs like this, and you might feel that it is not that effective as people claim it to be, but let me tell you, it is one of the I think the simplest and one of the most effective exercises when it comes to easing your stress and anxiety and your panic attacks. So you can do it for around 50 or 60 times. And then just slowly come back to your normal position. Guys, the second one is bridge pose, Setu Bandh Asana. And how you have to do it is just lie down on your back and just keeping your legs like this and your hands on your feet. Just slowly and slowly lift your body like this. And after holding it for a few moments, for maybe 10 or 15 seconds, you can just come back to your normal position. This is how you have to perform bridge pose Setu Bandh Asana, the second exercise in easing your anxiety and panic attacks. Now the time has come for the final exercise, the third one in easing your anxiety and your stress and panic attacks. And it is a bit tricky, so you have to be a bit careful in this. So this is how you have to do it. What you have to do in this one is just sit in this pose, Vajrasana, and then just lift your body like this and just stand on your knees like this and take your one arm backwards like this and keep it on your heel, and then do it with the other leg too, with your other arm and other leg too, like this, and hold your heel like the way you did before, and just go as back as you can. Stretch your body like this. And after holding it for a few moments, for 5-10 seconds in the beginning at max, slowly and slowly you can come back to your normal position and follow up with this pose, child's pose. This is the counter pose. So it can ease your back. And after doing it for a few moments, you can come back to your normal position. So guys, I hope that you liked these three exercises, three yogasanas for easing your anxiety, stress and panic attacks. Let me tell you, you might feel that they might not be as effective as I am claiming them to be. But let me tell you, I have tested these exercises for several weeks now and they just work like charm. So what you have to do is just develop a regular practice, and then you can just diminish, you can just kill, you can eradicate all the stress, all the negativity and all the panic attacks from your life and live the life you were always meant to live. All the best, guys.